Video, I'm going to show how to install the Google Cloud SDK in the Mac operating system. The first, we can use the Google to search for some information, and as you can see, I'm gonna click the quick install Google Cloud CLA, and it's from the Google Cloud tutorials. And I'm gonna click other installation methods. In this video, I'm gonna try to show a method of installation Google Cloud SDK, something that is easier. There are different tutorials and different ways, but I will show something that I think that is easier. We can use the installer. So here the installer is different for different operating system, and we gonna work for Linux and Mac operating system. This is what we're gonna choose, and all these commands we have to run in a terminal. To find the terminal, we go in a finder icon and we go to the application and we find the utilities folder. When you click it, there are some kind of different options, but we find the terminal. By using many times, the terminal is going to show here in the other at the bottom of your screen, and you just click it. In this way, this is the longest way, and this is if you cannot find it, that's the location of the terminal. And we open the terminal. Then we start following steps one by one and running the first command. As you can see, there is an installer of the Google Cloud SDK. Google Cloud SDK is a very powerful package that interacts with the Google Cloud platform, with your account, with the services and resources, and it is required to install. In this way, you can provision or you can access your work, your instances or different services that you want to run. There are different ways that you can install and you can configure the services that you can do. There are ways that you can do through your account, but the Google Cloud SDK is so powerful that everything that you can do in your platform, you can do even through this package that you can use through your terminal. This is something very important even for provisioning and managing your resources that you have been using in your Google Cloud. The first thing, I'm going to run the first command. I'm going to copy and paste. So they gonna can open a little bit. We hit enter and now it's installing. So as you can see, welcome to Google Cloud as CLI, sorry. And there is a question: do you want to improve the Google Cloud CLI? And we can click no if you just don't want to continue with more installations, or you can click yes if you want to go further. I can click no and hit yes, and here the Google Cloud is going to start, the G Cloud SDK is going to start interacting with your account. So it keeps installing, it's going to keep some time. And do you want to update? And we hit yes. Now we have the Python 3.11 installed, and I can install the recommended, and I hit yes or Y. So as you can see, the configuration is done. I can click G-Cloud version. Let's try another terminal. We can open a new terminal by right click and go in new terminal. As you can see, in a new terminal, we can see that the G-Cloud version or the Google Cloud SDK is already installed, and we have the version of the G-Cloud SDK and some information about the package. The reason why it didn't work in the old terminal is that sometimes the terminals needs a restart to perform all the changes and to show all the changes. You can just close it and open, or you can run this command here to restart your shell, and it's gonna show the version of your Google Cloud SDK. So this is the steps how I install the Google Cloud SDK in the Mac operating system terminal. Is kind of similar with the way how you install even in Linux. So that doesn't make that much difference. I prefer to use the installer than the other methods because the other methods are kind of more complicated for me, but depends even in your desire, you can use even other methods. So this is practically the way how I install even in my Ubuntu system, following all the steps. And then in the moment that the G-Cloud version shows the information of the package, means that your package is successfully installed, and now you can run all the G-Cloud commands that they are necessary to provision and to manage your account and the sources that you have created in your platform. So this is pretty much what I have been doing. If for any reason you might have any concern or any kind of problems that you may have while you install your G-Cloud, please feel free to write and to share with me. I will be very happy to help in installation of the G-Cloud. Thank you.